Good couples are compatible by chance, while great couples are compatible by choice. Marriage is not a vacation, it's an assignment, it's a mission. Many people rush into marriage without knowing exactly what they are signing up for. We become so focused on preparing for the wedding without preparing for the marriage. And that is why there are so many failed marriages out there. In America alone, a divorce happens every 42 seconds. That's 86 divorces per hour, over 2,000 divorces per day, over 14,000 divorces per week, and close to 750,000 divorces per year. That is insane. And all of that is due to the lack of preparation before getting married. To have a successful marriage, you must prepare for it. My name is Nelson Achelengwa, and I'm a certified relationship coach. Since 2021, we've been helping people to achieve their relationship goals. At FyndLove, we offer you the coaching, counseling, and advice you need to set yourself up for success in marriage. Whether you are single, in a relationship, engaged, or married, we are here to help you. A successful marriage is built before it starts and not after. At FyndLove, we will help you as you go from being single to dating to engaged and eventually married. And it doesn't end there. The coaching continues even in marriage. You too can have the marriage of your dreams. And it starts now. Just click the link in the description and sign up for a free coaching session with us. I'm very excited to meet you. Sign up and let's do this. See you soon.